before. Some honey cornbread. This is my first time trying it. Let me know what you think. But anyway, nah, alright y'all. So today I'm going to be making, I really don't know which size I'm going to be making, but I know I am making some, what's this?
I don't know what kind of steak. I don't know.
You know what type of candy. You pick it out.
Chuck steak.
Chuck steak, and then I got some good old meatballs. I should have tossed, we should have, come here, bro. So look y'all, I just want to show y'all this right quick. Come here, bro. Can you check this for me? Look, can you check this?
Hold on.
Alright y'all, so this is what I'm making. I'm making some meatballs. Do you guys think I should batter it up in this? Caribbean style jerk meatballs. Ah! No, man. Drop the damn meatball. Y'all. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a close-up shot in a minute, but hold up. Alright, so let's see. But so we had some homegrown string beans, and I had been snapping them and popping them and cleaning them and washing them. So we got the string beans right here going, the meatballs, period, and the cube steak in the oven. Now I gotta find some other sides to go with this. What else? What y'all think? Mashed potatoes? Cause you know hamburger. Oh, and I'm gonna hold up. I know y'all like applesauce. I like to eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I eat it for a snack. Period. But yeah. Alright, so we're going to just go with the mashed potatoes. Bang, 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 bang. Mashed potatoes. Yeah, period. Alright. Comment in the comment section if this how you got pull your pants up. Because I swear, I do it every time. Alright. Some beans. And cube steak. And like I said, I don't know if I want to do this. Definitely going to do that. You know, the little man potato. So we're just going to go ahead and just do our thing right quick. And I hope you guys stay tuned. Oh y'all, and guess what I'm going to make for like a snack? Hold up. Stop that cussing. You cuss again, I'm going to put you in the pan with the cube steak. Yeah. Hey, oh, you need the cornbread sauce? What was I looking for, baby? Oh. Come on, look at this. Ain't this gonna be this our snack for tonight. Bam! And watch this, watch this. But I'm sorry guys, we had another pack, but we was being so greedy and we ate it in the car. Bam! Yeah, y'all don't know about that. Snack. And Boo said he gonna eat an ice cream cone with his purse. Look. What y'all know about that? What y'all know about that? Hey, what y'all know about that? What y'all know about that? I'm gonna show y'all how to drink cranberry juice, okay? Straight like that. You put the lid back on it, okay? And you put it back in the refrigerator. Yeah.
They don't know about the imbalance of that.
And that's how you drink cranberry juice. Yeah, I bet you your man don't whip cornbread like that.
Ain't nobody gonna touch my cornbread.
Ain't nobody gonna touch his cornbread. Say it with your chest.
Nobody gonna touch my motherfucking cornbread.
You heard it here first. Ain't nobody gonna touch your cornbread. Yeah.
That's good texture right there. Good texture.
Let's just add another one in there.
No, that's good. That's good. Oh, I turned it up too.
Want it to go? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we just.
What pan? A regular pan or muffin pan?
Which one you want?
Muffin pan. We're gonna stick in the muffin. Water tastes really good.
Bam! Bam! Too many buttons in the pan! Too many buttons in the pan! Bam! Too many buttons in the pan! Too many buttons in the pan!
We put that in there.
Why do you do that? Thanks. Oh, why are you so tough? You're supposed to do this.
You put me in around this?
You ain't gonna have my damn meatballs burnt. Stop touching stuff. This man trying to burn my damn meatballs. Why you gonna burn my meatballs? But you call me.
Sorry, baby. No, I am, baby. Alright. Let that sit for like 15 minutes.
Alright, y'all, these meatballs coming out. Alright. What I tell you about
Come on,
this?
let's make it.
I don't like
Come on,
it.
let's
Yeah,
make it. Come on. Got a headlock. Come on, paramedic. It's over.
Turn me loose now. Another big thing.
Alright, y'all. I said I was gonna bust these up, but put them in back.
What's the right now?
I said I was gonna bust these up, but I done lost energy playing with this man. He just keeps his damn hands to himself, but he be some huge steak. Did it? Here it is. Alright. So guys, yeah, we just cooking in the kitchen, board in the house, and we in the house board. So, hold up. Period. Insert some clips.
Smoke horses tonight. You know what that means? You see that
They don't
face?
speak
You
English.
see that face?
don't speak
You see that expression on that face?
But they don't speak English, so.
down because there's nothing else in the oven. All right, guys. Next test. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Listen. Pour a cup of water. And y'all better not be back here judging me because it said pour a cup of water. And look, this is my cup of water. Period. Ain't no cookies in this. I'm using this for a cup of water. Alright. My cup of water, but y'all know I ain't gonna use all that. Open this gravy. And I'm gonna pour that bad boy in the pot. And guess what I'm gonna use?
On there.
Alright, y'all. So this is my cup of water, like I said. Ooh, this gravy smell like gravy. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna mix it. Can I get it?
That's the cup right there, Lena.
Yep. Alright, so I poured in my cup from my butter bowl. Y'all see the texture? Leave right there, bro. Right there. Can y'all see the texture? So what I'm going to go ahead and do is... Leave right there, bro. You ain't. I'm going to just go ahead on and add my cube stuff in there.